Keeping an eye on your data throughout the year is a key practice to stay on top of compliance issues and risks. To do this within Mapistry, we're going to start by clicking through the Analytics tab on the left corner of your grandbar. Here, you'll have three dashboards: inspections, tasks, and logs. When you first click into it, it's going to take you straight to data for inspections. And on the right-hand side, we'll have a set of filters that we can play around with and reflect the data within the visualizations below. Let's say I wanted to look at stormwater data for the last 90 days. To do that, I'm going to click into Category, open up the drop list, and select Stormwater. I'm also going to open up Due Date and click Last 90 Days. Now I'm going to hit the Update button on the top right corner. This is refreshing my visualizations so I can see the related data from my filters. If I wanted to drill in, all I have to do is click on the number or the part of the chart that I'm interested in. Let's say I wanted to take a look at the inspection that's upcoming but not completed just yet. I clicked into that one, and now we're going to have a chart of that inspection form. We're able to see the site that it's tied to, the status, which is incomplete, and even a link to the form submission itself. If I wanted to download these visualizations, I can either click on the individual chart itself and click Download Data, or I can go up to the dashboard actions on the top right corner and click Download. The second one is going to download a copy of all the visualizations from this screen. Going into tasks, one handy way to keep an eye on tasks is by making sure your facilities are continuously creating and completing tasks throughout the year. This way, you're able to show progress made because we know all sites are not perfect. If I click into my 3 tasks past due, I can also highlight the assignees that have been lacking the completion according to the due dates. And it's an easy way for me to identify who might need some extra help. Another place that you can go into to check out data for your stormwater program will be in your admin page on the top icon. Here, we're able to drill down how facilities are set for parameters, whether they're in level 1, level 2, or within limits. Under the Sampling Results tab, you're able to see more handy charts about the data itself. For example, my Mapistry stormwater demo site is having issues with oil and grease. This is shown by 33.3% of exceedance in my samples. And if I click onto my results scatter plot, I can check out which sample was giving me the most issues and how it was tracking over time. Utilizing your org admin and your analytics tabs are going to be great tools as you monitor the stormwater program throughout the year.